Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2019 Ford F-150. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and more. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you